Every year, more than $1 trillion worth of food is wasted across the globe. By using advancements in technology and microbial engineering, we can take this food waste originally destined for a landfill and turn it into something of higher value.
Converting food waste into usable materials is very beneficial because approximately 20% of methane emission comes from landfills, and it's a very big environmental concern. So in our process, what we do is we convert this landfill organic waste into alternatives for conventional plastics like PHAs. And these PHAs are biodegradable, compostable, and non-toxic. And they actually serve as food sources for microorganisms and fish.